All right, hello. Free bass lessons online. That's what we're going to go over today. I've got a practice routine that I want to offer to you for free, so definitely stick around for that and I'll get into detail. So hello, I'm Donald with the bass instructor of the How to Play Bass online course at iDon'tWannaPlayBass.com. Jump over there for this free 21-day bass practice ritual that I've got. Get started on building great habits. And when you're serious about your bass playing, sign up and get well on your way to reaching your bass playing goals. And this is I Want to Play Bass, your YouTube channel for everything bass. Subscribe, hit that bell notification, and get in the loop. All right, so what I've got going on this month is a bass practice ritual, a 21-day bass practice ritual that'll help you from the fundamentals. We build that routine, that consistency that is needed to reach your goals. You've got to have that consistency. You can't be wishy-washy about it. You've got to commit to it, and then you will level up and level up and level up from day one. And that's where you got to start somewhere. So why not start with a 21-day bass practice ritual and build those habits every day, okay? And that's what it goes through. It goes through every day. You get a free lesson for 21 days. You get a free lesson that'll help you work on that, for that day, work on that lesson and master these lessons later on down the road. But this is the basis of your practice. So get those down and work on those. Once you build that foundation, you can just get, you can build off of that foundation, okay? So all you have to do is jump over to iWannaPlayBass.com. I have a link in the description down below, and once you get over there, click the link there for the 21-day bass practice ritual and subscribe, and you'll get an email every day of this 21-day bass practice ritual. And you can go back, and once you download them, you've got them every day. You can look back at them or whenever you want to. You can keep that. You've got to keep that 21-day going, but that if you do that day after day, it'll make it that much easier. Day 22 will be easier. Day 23 will be easier, and then it'll become a habit. And then that's what you need. You need the consistency of practicing to build off of this. And once you, like I say, if you're hit or miss here, you practice one day, you practice the next day, or you don't practice the other day, you're just going to hinder yourself. You're going to slow up your process a lot. So definitely get these bass practice routine and dial it in, nail it every day, and you will see great improvements in your bass playing. And when you're there at iWannaPlayBass.com, I also offer a free ebook there. You can get that as well on setting your bass up, everything from the adjustment, every adjustment you need to make this thing subject to you, to make it comfortable for you, just how you play and your style and just everything. You can make all those adjustments there. Action, the fret nut adjustments, the intonation adjustments, the neck relief, all of that's there. So definitely get that as well for free while you're there. All right, so subscribe here. I've got lots of bass guitar. I've got a lot of country stuff going on now. Country music is a fundamental as well. To know that as a bassist, you got to start somewhere, and what better place to start than country music? It's got the best stories, so you definitely want to be able to tell a great story. So country music's a good start for you beginning bassists, okay? So enjoy that. So definitely subscribe, hit that bell notification, and help me help you. Hit that like button, and I'll catch y'all on the flip-flop in the next video. Bye for now.